Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Cancer for week ahead. So watch this video if you're a Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind that these are general readings. So if the shoe fits, wear it Cinderella, and if the shoe does not fit, then you are not the Cinderella. Keep that in mind, alright? And if you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, where I keep on sharing a lot of remedies, switch words, career, reconciliation, etc. etc. Also personal consultations, daily horoscope, then you can go to my Instagram, link is in the bio, and it's also displaying, the name of my Instagram is displaying on the screen somewhere here. All right, let's see messages for Cancer. First of all, happy birthday, and let's see your messages, Cancer. Cancers are really good people. One of my very good friends is a Cancerian, nice people. All right, let's see messages for Cancer, please. Keep in mind the time is fluid, all right? So though we are trying to see for next week, but it can be next month also, or maybe sometime down the line. 5 of Wands, there is conflict going on. I see there's a lot of confusion as well. Some of you want to make a decision, but your mind is not giving you clarity. Or maybe this could be a person that is not giving you clarity. I see that somebody might try to trash talk you, or you might try to trash talk somebody, because there's like definitely a conflict going on. I see that the situation is becoming very toxic, or it became very toxic. I see people kind of see, we have 7 of Wands again, which shows competition in here. 5 of Wands again is competition, right? And in the center we have Death card. So I see that people are unnecessarily trying to create competition in your life, and this could be a workplace drama. For some of you it could be a family drama, but it's like, how many dogs they just try to get together and they try to bark on a lion. So it's the same situation. So many people, they're just trying to gather together and they're trying to bark at you, unnecessarily creating drama in your life. You are standing tall for yourself, which is really, really good. And I see that you're giving a very tough competition in your workspace as well. If things are going very tough, like there are people who are trying to do workplace drama, office politics, and etc., you're going to come out very victorious, but be aware that it's going to be a battle. So you cannot come out victorious without giving a tough fight. So if you think that, oh my god, I'm going to leave it to destiny and then destiny is going to take care, it's not one of those situations. Here you have to give a fight, all right? You have to stand up for your values, your principles, and what you believe in. So whatever you believe in, you have to stand up for that, and you have to protect it, because otherwise I see that people will just kind of gang up against you and they will try to do things. When it comes to love, again, I see things are very, very conflicted. Somebody might have not given you the clarity, and I see because of somebody not giving you the clarity, things have ended between both of you, or you guys are not talking to each other right now. So there's no communication. Definitely I also see somebody has blocked somebody. So it could be you, or for the cross watchers it could be the Cancer, that somebody is not talking to somebody, and that is because there was a lot of conflict, and then that led to no communication. All right, so what is Cancer thinking right now in the moment? Okay, you guys are literally thinking. So I was like, what is Cancer thinking? And Cancer is like literally thinking. Virgo is a card of contemplation. So I see that you're trying to isolate yourself. Obviously, there's a lot of drama. So you're isolating yourself from all the drama, and you are trying to educate yourself. You're trying to improve your knowledge on something. So some of you, maybe you're taking a new course. You're educating yourself on a subject. For others of you, you're just trying to reflect in your own life, and you're trying to see what went wrong where, all right? If this situation created a lot of drama, where were you wrong, and what went wrong, and what you could have done in a different way to avoid this. So that sort of contemplation is going on these days, and I see that you're not interacting with a lot of people. Some of you might have also deleted your social media, all right, or you're just blocking this person, and you're trying to be alone for some time because you want to reflect, all right? You're trying to see why things happened the way it happened, and how you could have done better, or how you will do better. All right, give me some love messages specifically for Cancer, for future. Judgment card. You're hoping for a communication from this person, Cancer, though you're trying to isolate yourself from this person and the situation, though you are not trying to participate in the situation. But I see that you guys definitely are looking for a communication from this person, or clarity. because you feel that this person never gave you the clarity, or maybe you guys know something about this person, like the clarity is already with you, but how sometimes we wanted to hear from the other person, the person who has committed the sin, we want them to kind of acknowledge and accept. So some of you are in that energy where you want this person to confront you, and you're waiting for that. Judgment can actually be really judgment. So this person might have done something behind your back, you got to know about it, that's why you're blocking them, not talking to them. You found out some truth about them, but now you're waiting for this person to kind of confront to you, because you feel that you deserve that kind of clarity from them. So you're waiting, all right? And this not getting clarity is also not letting you move on. So some of you having a hard time, you're having a hard time moving on because you feel that you just need this clarity. Like how sometimes we are so stubborn that we want this, and if anybody tries to say us otherwise and they're like, oh, move on, leave it, and you're like, no, I cannot move on until I hear from this person. I cannot. So you are in that very stubborn energy where you want to hear from this person, you want to know their point, and you just want to get the clarity. Devil card. See, again, I see things are very stuck in your mind. All right, you're not able to completely move on, though you are not participating in this as much, but you cannot really move on because you want to hear some sort of truth from this person that you already know. All right, what else for Cancer moving forward? Wow, Four of Pentacles, I see money coming in, and Four of Pentacles is a rich man, so big money coming in, and it's coming in really fast. So if you were having financial constraints, then I see that's going to be improving, and a lot of money coming in, like very suddenly it's going to come in, and you're going to hold on to it very strongly. So you might be investing somewhere, or you already are making plans, and you're going to invest in somewhere. Okay, Knight of Cups and the Strength card. Some of you, you're also being very stubborn about the love situation, because you know that this person, whoever you're dealing with, have emotions for you. Some of you could be a Gemini, could be a Leo, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. We have Earth sign here as well, especially Capricorn. So I see that you kind of know a truth about somebody, that maybe this person loves you. So you know that they love you, and that is why you want them to come and tell you clearly. So that is why you're not able to move on, like, because you know that there is something left unsaid, and you know that this person might have dropped you hints, or I don't know, you got to know from somewhere that they were talking about you. So that is why leaving this person in the past and moving on completely is difficult for you, because you know that this person still has emotions for you. Nine of Cups. But you also might be knowing something else about them. So if this person, Cancer is anyway a very intuitive sign. So I see that somebody here was messing up with you, and they thought that you will never get to know, but you kind of already know. So you got to know about something that this person was doing, and you also got to know that this person still has feelings for you. So that is why you're waiting to hear from them. And you're not taking much action, because you're rest assured that this person is anyway coming. So why do I move my ass? Six of Wands. Wow, that's a very victorious energy. If you are hoping for a promotion or a hike, I see that coming in. I also see that you are going to be recognized in a big way. And anyway, Six of Wands with the Four of Pentacles in your future definitely shows some sort of victory and money rolling in. So I see your money situation is definitely improving. Like, I see people are going to take a note of you. People might also get envious of you because you're doing so well. But people don't realize the struggle that you had to reach where you are. That's the problem, right? That's the problem. People do not realize what's up, how much effort it takes. They just see the result. And that is a problem in today's world. Anyway, who gives a shit, right? You just keep doing you, boo. Because I see happy times rolling in, especially in terms of money. I definitely see that. All right, what's the advice for Cancer? What is the advice for Cancer? King of Cups. And the Chariot card. Oh, sorry, King of Swords. Wow. All right, so Cancer, the advice for you is to balance your rational mind and logical, the rational and the emotional mind. I see that sometimes you take a very logical approach, and sometimes you take a very emotional approach. You need to find a balance between the two, because balance is the key. You cannot be too emotional and you cannot be too logical. That's the advice for you. King of Swords is asking you to be logical, and King of Cups here is asking you to be emotional. So try to see things from both the angles and then make a decision, because you might just try to make a decision in a hurry and then regret later on. So don't try to do that, especially when it comes to money, because I see that you'll be making money. really good money, but you might just be tempted to spend everything. Or even in career, I see that there might be a lot of drama going on around you, so sometimes you just try to handle things very emotionally, and sometimes you become very rational, so you need to find a balance. I also see that if you want to avoid drama, then keep your mouth shut and don't try to trash talk people. It's gonna be backfiring on you in a big way. All right, it's gonna create a lot of chaos, so try not to take impulsive decisions and try to take a balanced approach. That's your message. Five of Pentacles. See, it's gonna backfire you. And also be very careful about your money, because I see some sort of cheating is possible, so be very careful. Somebody here is not telling you the truth completely, because I saw the Moon card. So be very careful before trusting somebody blindly. Okay, anything else for Cancer and love? Two of Pentacles. Again, I see things are just not clear when it comes to love. There's a lot of uncertainty. I see that you want to make a concrete decision, like you want to finally make your mind as to which way you want to go and what you want to do, but I see there's a lot of uncertainty. A lot of juggling is going on. You are constantly trying to figure out how can you make this work with the past person, because this person is not giving you the clarity and you don't know where you stand with them. So a lot of uncertainty, going back in circles, going back and forth is happening. Let's see this person's future action towards you, Cancer. Three of Cups and the Temperance. This person wants to balance things out with you. So the balance that you are not having right now, I see this person wants to give it to you. You are having sleepless nights over this person because you don't know when they will communicate. Like you want them to communicate, you are not communicating with them, but you know that they will communicate. They will. Some of you in next 8 days or 8 hours, because 8 of Wands is a very fast card. And this person's intent, see, this is their next action towards you, and this is their intentions and actions again. Three of Cups and the Temperance, which definitely shows a reunion. This person still thinks that you're very, like you are their home. You know, this person feels that when you are around, their life is in peace or it is very balanced. So that is why this person is not giving up on you still. Some of you, I also feel that maybe this person went for someone else. There was a third party situation. It is not working and this person is returning back to you. Somebody's third party, yeah, see, Moon card, Chariot, Three of Swords, Two of Swords. This person left you for a third party, or they left you for some sort of, I don't know what it was. It is not working. This person now wants to come back to you because they realize that when you are in their life, your life is balanced. Like you are basically the one that keeps them grounded and balanced. And this person wants to come back to you for healing. They want to heal themselves through you. Okay, what are your feelings towards this person moving forward in future? Tower card. Ooh, you're sick of this person. You love them definitely, but you're not expressing your feelings. You're just being very cold and distant. As I already said, you're not much on social media. You're not socializing with a lot of people. You feel this person cannot be trusted. That's your feelings. You feel you're sick of this person and you think that they lie a lot, they cheat a lot, and they cannot be trusted. However, deep down you have feelings, but you feel that this person cannot be trusted. And this person here is trying to come back to you because third party is not working or something is not working. You really doubt their whole authenticity. You feel that this person is an idiot who keeps wasting your time. You are really mature here, and I see this person is very mature. Hierophant. You want a commitment and you want a marriage, but for that, this person needs to come correct and come mature. This person is not mature. You are hoping for marriage, but this person is acting like a child, and that is why you're like, fuck it. You haven't changed. I can't give you a chance. So that is the problem. All right. Anything else? Seven of Cups, Wheel of Fortune. See, a lot of confusion in your life. This person is not giving you the clarity, but with the Wheel of Fortune, I see things will improve very suddenly. Very suddenly, things are going to take turns. Some of you, you're not even expecting this person to contact you, but they are about to. The confusion that you were having is going to be cleared with the Wheel of Fortune. One fine day, this person appears out of nowhere. Reconciliation. And tell you the truth that you're looking forward to. But your message is to keep your mind open. When this person comes to you and they want to talk, keep your mind open. Don't try to have some sort of preconceived notion that this person will tell me this or this, and if they don't tell me this or this, then I will not listen to them. Don't try to get yourself in that kind of things. All right, trust. Ooh. You are having trust issues majorly. I can see attraction. This person is super attracted to you. As I said, they think that you are their home. It is safe for you to love. This person feels you very, very safe, and that's why they want to return to you. They kind of realize what they missed, having you in life, and then you were not there. They now realize what they missed. So I see somebody wants to right the wrong that they did. They're regretting it big times. So yeah, that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Stay safe. Bye.